This time, let me show you how you can put a screenshot as your wallpaper, as your background on your Mac computer. So let me at first capture a screenshot. So I'm on my keyboard, I'm gonna press the Command Shift and 4, and now I'm gonna select something like this. So as you can see, I'm gonna select this area, and it is now the screenshot which got saved on my computer. So it depends on where your screenshots get usually saved. In my case, they will probably appear on the download. So I'm gonna put it in here on the desktop, and there are some options. I can either right click on it and click on a set a desktop picture, which will make it look like this. Now the screenshot is already selected, so that's fine. Or you can as well go to your settings and find the wallpaper section in here, and part of the photos, you can click on photos, choose a file, and you can find your screenshots in there. So even if you look up the word screenshot, you'll be able to see all of them, right? And you might choose a different screenshot to be, the wallpaper, right? So that's something which you can definitely do. Let me know if you manage to make it work on your device. Subscribe for tutorials and similar videos to this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.